The Creality Ender-5 Max 3D printer is a powerhouse machine tailored for professionals and serious makers who need large format, high speed, and precision-driven 3D printing. Constructed from durable metal and weighing 31.9 kilograms, the Ender-5 Max delivers industrial-grade performance in a desktop-friendly footprint. With product dimensions of 15.7 x 15.7 x 15.7, it houses a robust internal system capable of handling demanding print jobs with ease. Massive build volume. The Ender-5 Max features a huge 400 by 400 x 400 mm build area, making it perfect for large-scale models, batch printing, or producing multiple components in one go. This expansive print space removes the size limitations common in smaller machines, opening new possibilities for prototyping, production, and custom applications. Ultra-fast print speeds. Built for efficiency, the Ender-5 Max reaches speeds up to 700 mm with 20,000 mm/s acceleration, thanks to high-performance XY-axis motor. Whether you're printing large parts or complex geometries, you can complete jobs significantly faster without sacrificing quality or layer fidelity. 36-point auto-leveling system. Achieve optimal first-layer performance with Creality's intelligent 36-point auto-leveling system. By calibrating based on multiple data points, this system ensures precise bed leveling, improved print adhesion, and consistency across long prints, reducing the need for manual adjustments. High-end all-metal extruder. The dual-gear, near-end extruder made entirely from high wear-resistant metal ensures stable, clog-free performance during extended print sessions. It supports a wide range of filaments and maintains consistent extrusion, even with high temperature or abrasive materials. Professional workflow with LAN multi-device control. Designed with productivity in mind, the Ender-5 Max supports LAN-based multi-printer control, making it ideal for print farms, design studios, and educational labs. Combined with the upgraded Creality print slicing software, users can manage multiple printers simultaneously, queue jobs, and streamline production with ease.